Why am I here? This is a grocery store, not a plant store. However, I disagree with that statement. Yes, it is a grocery store, also known as Weis Markets, located in Pennsylvania mainly. Could be in other states, I don't know. They have some really cool house plants in the beginning of the store, and we're gonna go check those out. Right over here, oh, look at this Ficus tenaciae. Oh, that is beautiful. And look, it's like a bushy one too. They have put two different ones in here. Ah, come on, leaf, get out of the way. Yeah, so it looks nice and bushy. I love that. And they are $27. Yeah, but those ficus, those are nice. Nice and bushy. Alright, so these are actually from Wild Interiors, which is a popular brand to have in like house plants. It's not known like Costa Farms, but look at that. Like what kind, I guess this is a philodendron? I don't know, but that is wild with the coloring in there. And I love this little wishing well type of hanging basket. That is so beautiful. And over here we have the fuzzy panda. Can you feel him? Oh, they're so, oh geez, maybe I shouldn't touch them. But yeah, they're so fuzzy. I love the texture of this plant. Love it. And I love these little hanging things. I love it. You're gonna get tired of me saying I love it. This is a type of syngonium here. Look at that splashiness to it. Fun, 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 fun. I mean, like, that's really unique. Does anybody know what kind? I mean, I'm assuming a philodendron. Maybe I'm wrong. I think I'm wrong. I don't think it's a philodendron at all. Some jade plants. Some live trends they have here. The hydroponic plants. Yeah, you can do your ZZ plants in water. They get like big roots. Succulents. Wow, I mean, I think it's time to redo that one, right? Look at these planters. Look how huge that one is. Cool. Oh, look at this one right here. This succulent. Wow. That's really wild. They're $42 each, but honestly, they're not worth $42. So, another philodendron by Wild Interiors, ZZ plant. Yeah, these things have seen better days. Look at this Dieffenbachia here. Whoa, I have never, I mean, there has to be two different types in here by accident. Look, we first have these leaves here with this type of variegation. Come on, focus on the leaf, not the floor. Look at that. That looks so cool. I like how the dark green spots are like fleckled on there, or flecked. And then we have this Dieffenbachia. In the same pot, it has that dark green outer, the silver inside, but then you have like these spots of this really light green. Look at that. That is something, and the two of them together is stunning. Look at that. Here, this is like for the darker green one, right here. And then this is the light green one. So definitely two different plants, but that works. Like that combination works. There are other, like I think this is a mishap because the other ones that are around in this store are all this type of coloring to them, not a mixture. So this is a unique mixture.
Can I help you with something?
No, hi.
We don't usually allow pictures being taken in our store unless it's like from our company, like a corporate person.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, round 2 of grocery store plant shopping. And hopefully I don't get kicked out of this one. I was at Weis Markets earlier, and the lady, she was an assistant manager. She came over to me and she was like, we usually don't allow people to take pictures in here unless they are with Weis Markets. So I didn't want to start any problems. I just was like, okay, turned off my phone, or my camera actually. I have my camera, not my phone on. I have a feeling like if I was recording on my phone, nobody would care. I did show you guys the Dieffenbachia, right? That had like 2-in-1. That was a beautiful plant, $27. And it was a large plant. So I would think that it wasn't a deal, but it was an average price for that. And plus I think that since you get 2 in one pot, that was kind of gnarly. I was on the website for Weis Markets and I was trying to get a hold of somebody via like corporate, be like, hey, can I have permission to like film in your stores, just really focusing on the plants. But yeah, I'll have to look more into it later. So in the meantime, I was just like, well, I'll go to Giant and see what they got. So let's go, and hopefully I don't get kicked out of this one. It's actually, I gotta note this because it's actually another day. It is dark outside. I had to come back because the lady who was working here actually had a huge shipment come in, and she was unboxing it while I was here the first time. So I was like, no, I'm just gonna come back and like check out the new stuff that they got. But they got some really nice plants in, super healthy. Like, why is it that like the grocery store plants here in Giant are always like healthy versus some other places? I don't know what they do, but I mean, well, one of the things they do is that they have space. There's space between them, right? They're not like crammed. But yeah, we got like a florist area. We got like a whole bunch of hanging baskets, orchids and Kyle and Chloe's, and some beautiful primroses. And we got some fun stuff over here. So I guess I'll just start right here. $5 for a 4-inch polka dot plant. Look how beautiful that is. Oh look, they even have starts at the bottom there coming. This is such a sweet little plant. It reminds me of spring. I wanted to point out these. This is from that Plainview Pure brand that I saw at, yeah, Plainview Growers. It's called Plainview Pure, when they advertise it like in Home Depot. Look at the different cacti they have, and this is only what, $5? Like, okay, hold on. Can y'all see the spikes there? You know what, these spikes are actually the cacti's leaves. That's how they function. But these are actually soft and they're kind of neat. I'm just gonna do this one here. Look at that. Wow. That's a beautiful cactus right there. This is, the leaves or the spikes are definitely a lot more harsher. This one's beautiful. This one is beautiful. Look at that with the dark. It has like that fuzziness on top. Again, the spikes are definitely a lot harsher. Purple echeverias. Look at that. This is from Arizona East LLC. Assorted foliage. Oh yeah, but here the pure succulents, the Plainview pure succulents. Look at that. Is that a Colin Chloe? No, Haworthia. A Haworthia. Look at the spikes on that thing, man. That's crazy. These are $11, and look how many echeverias are in this thing. It's just spilling out. It is just spilling out, guys. Look at that, beautiful. So these are rosemary topiaries, and they are on clearance. Total price 99 cents. I'm gonna pick them up. They're $1. They're supposed to be topiaries. They put them out for like Christmas and stuff. It's rosemary. Oh, I love the smell of it. I'm gonna get these. They're $1. I'm not gonna pass that up. Oh, and just over here we have like a bunch of cute little assorted foliage things. These are really for like New Year's themed, with the silver. I don't know what kind of plant that is. It's really neat though. It's really neat. Anybody know what kind of plant it is? know they got some peperomias here. Look at that baby. That's cool. And then they have the frost peperomia right here. Look at that. Beautiful. I like the glass. What kind of plant that is either. Sorry, I'm not very helpful. And there's no name. Some Sansevieria here, different types. Cool. I want to check out this 2 for $5 for primroses. These are actually a perennial early spring bloomer. Ooh, look at that one. In my area, I'm zone 6 in Pennsylvania. So I could buy these, use these as house plants, and then when it's warm out again, I could plant them and they'll be perennials. So they're usually like $5 for one, and now they're $5 for 2, essentially. They're beautiful. I like the yellow ones and these purple ones. They actually look blue in the camera. Wow, they look really blue, but they're definitely purple. They got the pinks, the reds, and the whites. Oh, and these little mini roses, $10. That's beautiful. I would keep these inside. That's a pretty, like, apricot color. Very spring-like. Look, they got one that's, like, patterned like that. Full mini orchids here. Nice and healthy. They look great. $5. Yellow. I like the yellows and whites. Not too much the reds, but that's just a personal preference. The big ones for like $10. Some type of daisies. Some Kalanchoe. I love that purple. Ooh, that's beautiful. And then we also have the white ones here. These are $10, but I think these are like because they're a specialty bagged item. I don't know. I love the foliage too of cyclamens. Cyclamens. Beautiful. A ton more daisies coming. Very spring-like. Look, they even have their tulips out. And hyacinths. Oh my. Let's go back here because right here they have this brand called Wild Interiors. Look at this. Alocasia. I think this is what they call a pink dragon with a pink stem. This is some type of a Calathea ZZ plant. It's a pretty little pattern on the Calathea there, or Calathea. Some ficus. That new leaf coming out. But their plants are like super healthy looking. Dieffenbachia right here. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. The greens. Love it. That's like so peaceful and so classic. Some more ZZ plants. A Syngonium. I don't know how much these are. These are by Elizabeth and Alexandria. I don't know how much they are though. Probably like $5. Some peace lilies. Oh, and so the Trio Star. Isn't that such a beautiful plant? What are these, like $17? Yeah, again, Wild Interiors. That looks so good. Oh, and look at these cute little owls. They're $10. That's a bit much, but those are so cute. Oh, so adorable. Those are nice.
Service department, you have a phone call on 701. Service department, 701.
Yeah, look at, I love that pink. The Trio Star, look at that. Look at that underneath. Then the alocasias. Beautiful. Love those. Glorious orchids. Okay, I gotta show you this coloring. This one right here has like a lavender and blue in it. Let's see. These are a little worse for wear. Oh wait, here we go. If I get out of the light. Look at that. Isn't that such a beautiful orchid? Oh. Now remember guys, these are actually dyed. But look at the veining in the orchid. Come on, focus. Yeah, look at the veining in the orchid. That is so pretty. Oh, these right here are even better. Ooh. Yeah, mine that I had for like October during Halloween era is actually, it's still blooming, but it's almost faded. But this one's really nice because you still see they have more blooms coming. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, this one's really cool because it has like a little bit of green to it. It doesn't pick up so much in the camera, but that's cool. Need any. Wow, they kind of got expensive, didn't they? Oh, well, there's a hydrangea in there, so I guess that's why it's expensive. I should make some arrangements. Yeah, $17? Ooh. Why do I remember them being so much cheaper? Maybe I got these. Seriously, don't you just love a marbled leaf? That is absolutely stunning. And these are only $18, which is actually cheaper than the big box stores. Fun fact. That got the regular green ones. Now look at this leaf. That is huge leaf. Is it common for these plants to get that big of a leaf? I don't think so. I think I got like some type of mutant here. It's awesome. Some other big ones, not big as the other one that I just showed you, but still, I'm like really surprised that they're so big. I can't believe that. Marbled look. Oh, you're so beautiful. Mariantos, red ones. It was a total madhouse in there. We're supposed to get this storm coming this weekend. But look, I got 2 primroses. Again, they came down to $2.50 each, and they're a perennial. They'll come back in my area, but I will keep them as a house plant until the spring. And I also have this rosemary that was on clearance for $1. So I'll trim it up in a topiary. Actually, my bunnies can eat. I believe, I'll have to double check. I believe they can eat it. So I could give them like little stems as a treat. But also, if I want to propagate some of this for my garden, the best way to propagate rosemary and lavender is by cuttings. So just an FYI. And I also had this drink, lavender plus limeade, supposed to initiate relaxation, which we all need it in our life. But I really got it because the bottle is really cool, and I think I can make a little terrarium out of it. So bonus. So yeah, I know the lighting's a little weird. I'm inside my car and it's dark. But thank you all for tuning in, and I will catch you next time. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to, like, you know, never mind.